Okay, we're back on that same document I was working on earlier for the table of contents. We're going to do a couple quick citations on things. Citations are a way of keeping track of where you got your information from, and we're going to do a couple of them in here just to keep track of stuff. Say we want to, let me go ahead and pull it up on the screen. There we go. And okay, we want to put something, we'll put a couple of citations as to things to keep track of where information was gathered from. Clerks 3 convenience tour, we'll make that our first one. We're going to select that. And for citations, keep track of where you heard about everything from. We're going to go ahead and go up into here in the references menu, insert citation, add a new source. Our first source is going to be a website, and it's IMDb. So we're going to website, put in the URL. We don't appear to have the date as to when it was done. It was written by IMDb. Name of the web page is Clerks 3. Name of the website is Internet Movie Database. We will approximate the year as being 2022. So what that's going to do is it's going to create a small entry there that you can probably see. I'm pointing at the screen that doesn't work real well. IMDb 2022. Let's go ahead and put another reference in here. Let's talk about a PlayStation controller, the PS4, and I've got information here from PlayStation from Wikipedia. Wikipedia does a very good job on this. It gives you exact information you need to cite them in it. So we hit on cite this page, as you'll probably see on the Wikipedia entry, cite this page. We're going to go and select the PS4. Bang, bang. And we're going to go ahead and put insert citation, add a new source. This source, as we could pull off of here, page name is PlayStation 4. Name of web page, there we go. Author is Wikipedia contributors. They're the corporate author since it's multiple people. Publisher Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. The year that this was done is December 2022. December 6th. Oops, 6 goes in its own spot. 6th. And the last thing it wants is the full web address. So we now have a couple different entries listed in our sources. You can go in and manually look at the manage sources area to see more detail. There's the stuff that's in there right now. Looks like it's in there from when I was working on this earlier. So I can delete entries. And I have these 2 entries as the sources, which is what I want to have in there. I can hit close. And if I want to list a bibliography at the end of this, I can go into insert or bibliography insert, and there it shows up. There I've got my bibliography entries. The Wikipedia contributors 2022 references its entry. IMDb references its entry for Clerks 3. Now, if I want to go ahead and add that into my table of contents, I can go to update table and update entire table, and it will add the bibliography to the table of contents that we did on the previous video. So there's the very basics of doing citations in Microsoft Word.